कोणी केलें आनीक ह्या हावजान जेन्ना आमी एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घेतलें त्या कॉलिंग अटेन्शनाचेर आमी ST भावाक हे पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन मेळपाक जाय म्हणून सांगलें. इट वॉज सेंड टू द सेंटर एंड इट वॉज पास्ड. The Chief Minister yesterday at the start said that the Congress party was stalling the bill. I need to clarify, I clarified yesterday as well, there was a Bihar subject of constitutional crisis that was going on in the parliament, and that is the reason why they were getting in the bill at that particular time. But it has been passed, and today these rights that the ST भाव आमचे फॉर पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन म्हाका दिसता एक पावल आनी एक पावल मुखार गेलेलें आसा. त्याच पद्दतीन एक दुखाची गजाल जाली जेन्ना बाब गोविंद गावडीन एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घालो, खास करून उटाचें प्रकरण. आनीक उटाचें हें प्रकरण आज जरी तर चोयल्यार उटा म्हणटाय ती एक चळवळ, उटा म्हणटाय ती एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशन. एंड वेन डीड इट स्टार्ट? इन 2011 एक मेजर आंदोलन जालें आनी त्या आंदोलनान त्या वेळार 2 people लॉस्ट देयर लायफ्स in Bali, in my constituency in Kunkolim. Tinga, तेज नंतर the sentiments expressed by the ex-sports minister were shocking. That putting an administrator, banning their rights, and the government says it was not the government that did it. It was done as per law. When will you lift that particular ban? When will the ST rights or the tribal rights and the Sarkaran, what have they done? Specifically, he said that no government after 2012, because they were primarily instrumental at that time. Even I lost my election in 2012 by a narrow margin of 200 odd votes. And if you look at it, there seems to be a connection. You raise, anyone raises your voice against corruption in the system, in the party, you are axed. You are vengeance या BJP येवपाची म्हाका दिसता एक systematic ploy to silence the voices of whoever raises their voices against the corruption in the party. आनीक ही हुकुमशाही ही म्हणटाय ती undeclared emergency, day in day out to stifle the voices of these Uttar people. They have been given strict warnings that you should not, म्हाका दिसता, you should not speak. This is whether there is Lokshai or whether there is Hukumshai. I think it's a clear cut, and it has been exposed by their own party member. This is the sorry state of affairs. ज्या पद्धतीन काल पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ड्रग्स, रेप्स, मर्डर्स, क्रायम्स हे वाडत आसा. एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटाचो सोऱ्याचें प्रकरण वाडत आसा. फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ज्या पद्धतीन एक फायनान्शियल क्रायसीस आसा, हे सगळे मुद्दे आमी काल एक्सपोज केल्ले. आज मायनींग जे मुखेलमंत्री म्हाका दिसता तेणें एक इव्हेंट करपाचो, आज स्टार्ट जातलें, फाल स्टार्ट जातलें. सो मेनी टायम्स इज गिवन assurances to the people. He has failed the state's economy that was vibrant during the Congress time. आनी हेमी हें मायनींग बंद केलें. जें प्रकरण हाडलें 35,000 crore स्कॅम, टुडे इफ यू लुक इट वॉज narrowed down to 350, आनी तेजी रिकवरी पासून आज मायनींग कंपनीजा कडेन तेणें करूंक ना. So it was all a jumla that started in 2011 when Digambar Kamath was the chief minister, and he is silent today. I hope he speaks today because he was also part and he was accused. So चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता आज 20 डिमांड, काल सिल्वर क्राउन आसले, आज 20 डिमांड. So total 45 portfolios. As I said and I continue to say, the chief minister is fat in portfolios but not fit.
थँक यू.
ना काल कसिनोची आम उलयले ज्या पद्दतीन GST 10,000 ते 12,000 crore रुपया रिकवरी that it is pending in the court, in the Supreme Court, that is due for so many years. Secondly, illegal जे gambling जाता, as per norms are not followed. These norms are not followed. This is completely against जे revenue state घेवपाक जाय. पेंडींग ड्यूज जे कोट्यांनी रुपयांचे येवपाक जाय, गव्हर्मेंट डजंट सीम टू वॉन्ट टू रिकवर इट. आनी कसिनो भायर इलिगल गॅम्बलिंग जे पड सगळे आज मोडकोय जाता, मागीर मोडको ओपन आहा क्लोज आहा, सगळे खबर आहा. सो इज इट लिगल ऑर इलिगल हो प्रश्न तुमी पयलीं मुखेलमंत्री घालपाक जाय, मागीर अशें करतलो.